In order to enhance the look of your pivot table, you may apply a pivot table style. For example, I'm just going to click on the data within this pivot table, and what I'd like to do before we go into styles is actually expand these particular areas. So I'm going to click on, say, Auckland. I'm going to go to the Pivot Table Tools Analyze tab in the ribbon, and I'll hit this green plus, which is to expand this field. I'm also noticing a legacy from prior exercises is that I have last name appearing in A1 when really it should say region, and a legacy from an early exercise is I put department in B4, and I'm going to change that to year. Okay, so we've expanded the amount of detail we can see in our pivot table, and this will really therefore illustrate these styles effectively. On the Pivot Table Tools Design tab, you actually have pivot table styles. And if I was to click the More button, I'll see a gallery of styles organized into light, medium, and dark styles. As I scroll down, there's even more dark styles beyond what I originally see. Also, as I move my mouse over these styles, you can see that a live preview appears in the Excel file, showing me what that style would look like should I click it and apply it to this pivot table. The other thing is, as I rest on each of these styles, they actually are numbered, so each of them has a name. For example, this is the pivot style medium 3. So I'll just choose a style, and I might go for, say, medium 11. So a really quick way to automatically format a pivot table is to apply a pivot table style.